Hey again, it's Randy from Cake Salon. We're going to talk a little bit about men's grooming now. So when it comes to men's grooming, if you are a clean shave kind of guy, we recommend the Redken Bruise Shave Cream. It feels amazing, goes on really well, just works fantastic, adds that slip so that you can shave real comfortably. In addition to that, if you are like me and you wear a beard, we're going to talk a little bit about the Redken Bruise Beard Oil. Now, I know for myself, my beard is crazy out of control all the time. It's so coarse, and it has little hairs that like to just do their own thing. Most of them are the grays, and they like to stand out to the side like this and be like, hey, look at me, here I am. So the way that we control that is by using beard oil. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to begin by just adding a couple of drops of beard oil into my hand, and then I'm just going to work that through my beard. Now, what you'll find is if you use the beard oil every day, what it does is it makes your hair so much more moldable and so much easier to control that you can kind of sculpt it into the shape you want. So it starts to look a little bit rough, and you can just tuck it back in and then push it into whatever shape that you want it to sit in. If it's still a little bit crazy, sometimes I'll take a comb and just comb through and then try to push some of the hair out of my mouth and like that so that it gets finished. Now, it just makes it so much more moldable, and it's conditioner for your beard. So it smells fantastic, it keeps your beard hair really manageable, and just makes it look good all the time. And a little bit of it goes a long way. In addition to that, I am a huge fan of the Redken Bruise Cleanse Bar. It's fantastic. It's a bar soap, but it's very dense. It's heavier than a regular bar of soap, and it's pH balanced. I have really sensitive skin, and almost anything I use irritates my skin. But this does not irritate my skin. It feels comfortable, feels fantastic, and it lasts probably 3 times as long as a regular bar of soap. And it's fantastic. So if you haven't tried it, make sure you check that one out. And we also have the 3-in-1. So this can work as shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. I've only used it as body wash because I have color treated hair. So I tend to want strong shampoo and strong conditioner rather than a combo there. But it works really well as a body wash, and it is in my shower at home right now. So make sure you play around with that product as well. We have it in the mini and in the full size. So if you want to try the small one and then fall in love with it and switch to the big, that works really well. Once again, I'm Randy from Cake. Thank you so much for joining us. Like, subscribe, we'll talk to you later.